Welcome everyone. This is Sherry Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and we have something super fun for you for Halloween. This is our creepy kit, and it is something super special. I hope you're going to enjoy this. I'm going to start off with the Holtz Vignette Box, and this has two dividers in there so you can create shelves so you can stack some of your haunted goodies on a shelf. Also included is a full package of the Holtz Idea-ology mummy wrap, and this is really thin. You can color it with paints and sprays and add it as a ribbon to your project. Also included is a pack of Simon Says Stamp black flock, and this is adhesive back and it has that nice velvety touch to it, perfect for die cutting. You'll also get a pack of little birdie spiders and webs, and these are a really nice chipboard that you can paint and also add glitter to. A Halloween kit wouldn't be complete without some black flowers, and these are from Kaiser Craft, and you will also get a shaker bottle of Creative Expressions Cosmic Shimmer Midnight Glow Sparkle, and this has a really unique type of application. When you open the lid, it has like a salt or pepper shaker. You can also pull that cap off to replace the glitter when you're done. And to go with all the creepiness, we also have a bottle of distress paint, and this is Black Soot from Tim Holtz, and it has that flip top lid. To create some highlights and distress areas, we're also including a distress crayon, and that is in Picket Fence from Tim Holtz. You'll be needing a glue for this kit, so we've included Cosmic Shimmer Specialist acrylic glue, and that has a really unique top to it, and you'll snip off the tip of the glue with your scissors and then detach this little cap and put that over the top to keep your glue from clogging. Tim Holtz has created this really fun rub-on set, and this is the Halloween set, and this is great to add words or images to any area of your project. We have 4 sheets of 6x6 papers, and these are by Polka Doodles in Love with Trick or Treat. You'll also receive 4 skulls from the Tim Holtz Idea-ology skull fragments, and they're so realistic looking, so there's a few different sizes that you can use. And you'll get 3 corked bottles, and these are from the Tim Holtz Idea-ology tiny vials. And you'll also receive 5 different sizes of the bones from Tim Holtz Idea-ology Boneyard Findings. Also a miniature mirror that you can paint around the edges to give it a little bit more distressed look, and it actually reflects really nicely. Another fun item is this bookshelf with books, and it has several different size books in there. I have mine all in a rubber band, but I'll lift up some of those so you can see that they're all individual. Really fun item to add to the shelves of your vignette. We've also included a red wax candle that you can drip some red wax onto portions of your project for extra creepiness. This kit also includes 2 sheets of the Simon Says Stamp Glimmer papers in purple and coal. And finally, you'll get 2 sheets of these really great 12x12 papers. These are by Ella and Viv, Dark Hollow. This is a super fun kit that you can create a vignette for decoration in your house for Halloween. Up next, I have a little inspiration using the products from this kit where I've created my own vignette. Going with the purple and black. I've painted my box completely black, and I've added all those fun elements into the shelves. And I've also covered some of those little books with the 6x6 pattern papers and added remnant rubs for the titles. For the top of my box, I have painted the mummy wrap with some wilted violet and black soot paint, and I also added some of the glitter to those black flowers to create an arrangement. I've used some of the black soot paint to tone down the gold on the mirror, and put some of that glitter inside my vials and stack those on top of some of those paper-covered books. I've used the remnant rubs on some paper and also the background to create my arrangement for skulls and bones and also a flower. And finally, for the last shelf, I've used the remnant rubs on some paper and also the background, and used that bookshelf that I painted black. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our creepy kit for Halloween. Be sure to check out the description box below for the link to our blog post that has additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.